Please welcome our contestant number 2, Mai Lee Lee.
Hmong New Year. My name is Mai Lee Lee, and I'm very pleased to see each and every one of you here today. Thank you to all of our judges for their time and loyalty. The question was asked, what is Hmong and what does Hmong mean? Hmong is an indigenous group who like to live in harmony with nature. The Hmong people were an ethnic group who originated from southern China. They live in the high regions of the mountain. Hmong society have been shaped by life in the mountain, where they practice slash and burn agriculture, ancestral worship, and follow a clan system. Many of the Hmong people today still believe in shamanism, where the spiritual world connecting to the living. Hmong clan is very important for the Hmong people. In total, there are 18 clan last names, such as Lee, Tao, Vang, Cha, Lord, and Zhang are among some of the clan. Throughout history, our ancestors have established rules for all clans to follow, mainly involving in dating and marriage between the male and the female. For example, members of the same clan are prohibited to date and marry one and another. All clans are only to courtship outside their clan, because we believe that all clans are biologically related from the beginning of the creation of mankind, meaning we descend from the same ancestor. The word Hmong means freedom, or to live freely. Hmong people prefer to live in the mountain and be one with nature, because we like to be free and roam without no one controlling and interfering with our lives. Due to war and hardship during the 18th century, Hmong made their way south and settled into Indochina. After, they were singled out by the communist government of Laos for the role of fighting the apartheid Lao. In the 1970s, a large group of Hmong refugees made their way into the US, Canada, and other Western nations. There are two major Hmong dialects that are being spoken today, such as Hmong Leng, or Green Hmong, and Hmong Dun, or White Hmong. Even though times have been rough for the Hmong people, they have kept their head up high. From China to the jungle of Laos, the word Hmong have always been a part of them. Never let their identity down, knew where they were from, and kept their spirit going and hoping for a better tomorrow, so that their children can live their dream for a better and future tomorrow to come. Thank you. Mai Lee Lee is our contestant number 2. She is from Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Her future goals are to attain her degree to become a pharmacist. During her free time, she likes to spend time with her family and friends, dance and play volleyball.
Cell Phone Express in Milwaukee, Wisconsin.
Please welcome our contestant number 1, Voua Vue.
This round was, what is Hmong? I am Hmong. Hmong means free or peace. The Hmong is a group of people that was recruited by the American CIA government to help fight the secret war against the North Vietnam communists. Most of the history has been rewritten and lost over the decades. Until today, the Hmong people have still kept their last name, their old traditional cultures, the martial arts of exporting the bamboo flute. I am proud to be a Hmong and will live to be a Hmong. Thank you.
Voua Vue is our contestant number 1. She is from Green Bay, Wisconsin. Voua's future goal is to open up her own salon for both men and women. During her free time, she spends time with helping her families around the house, hang out with her friends and family, watch movies, sing and dance. Her sponsor is Universal Home Health Care from Sheboygan, Wisconsin, and Bay Valley Chiropractic Clinic from Green Bay, Wisconsin. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our last contestant for round 3.